ever dreamed of being your own boss, of turning your passion into a thriving business? Imagine waking up every day excited to bring your ideas to life, to create something that not only fulfills you but also serves a need in the world. Welcome to the Foundations of Business and Entrepreneurship course, where your dreams can transform into reality. This immersive program is designed specifically for those ready to take the leap into the world of business. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just curious about what it takes to succeed, here, you'll grasp the fundamental concepts that drive successful businesses. From understanding different business structures to mastering essential financial literacy, we'll equip you with the knowledge you need to navigate the complexities of entrepreneurship. But that's not all. You'll dive deep into market research, learning how to analyze customer needs and identify gaps in the market. This isn't just theory. It's practical, hands-on learning that empowers you to develop a business idea that resonates with real-world demand. By the end of the course, you won't just have a dream. You'll have a structured business plan that outlines your vision, model, and financial projections. And let's talk about pitching. You'll gain the skills to present your ideas confidently, capturing the attention of potential investors and partners. Picture yourself standing in front of an audience, articulating your vision with clarity and passion. This is your chance to embark on an entrepreneurial journey, armed with the insights and skills to make it happen. Don't just dream about the future, create it. Enroll in the Foundations of Business and Entrepreneurship course today and unlock the door to your potential.